Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP 15 won't hold a charge, it's likely due to a burnt-out battery. This can happen for several reasons, including age, overheating, or simply a manufacturing defect. If you don't address this issue promptly, your laptop may become unusable, limiting your productivity and causing further damage to the internal components. To carry out this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a replacement battery specifically designed for the HP 15. First, ensure that your laptop is turned off and unplugged. To open the device safely, turn it over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws, keeping them in a safe place. Carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel, starting from one corner and working your way around. Be gentle to avoid damaging the casing. Once the panel is removed, locate the battery, which is usually situated near the center of the laptop. You will notice that the battery is connected by a cable and secured with screws. Remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver, then gently disconnect the battery cable by pulling it straight out. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new battery and connect the cable, ensuring it clicks into place. Secure the new battery with the screws you previously removed. Before closing the back panel, double-check that everything is in place and that there are no loose cables. Carefully reattach the back panel by aligning it correctly and pressing down until you hear it click into place. Finally, replace the screws to secure the panel once again. To verify that your laptop is functioning, plug it in and turn it on. Check that the battery is charging properly and that the laptop operates smoothly. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure that you regularly clean your laptop's vents to avoid overheating and consider replacing the battery every few years. It's also advisable to use a surge protector to safeguard against power surges. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.